Hello everyone, my name is Nishan Saxena and welcome back to my YouTube channel. The story that we are going to discuss today is a very sad story. It's a story of staff members working in hospitals. They are expected to save lives. On the other hand, what they were doing was they were sending fake vials. They were selling fake cancer medicines, injections to people desperately in need. Imagine that. Not just black marketing medicines, they were selling fake medicines to cancer patients at a highly expensive rate. So 3 months after uncovering a cancer operation, Delhi police revealed in their charge sheet that 8 patients who consumed the counterfeit medications were identified during the investigation. One of these patients passed away after taking the fake cancer drug, according to the charge sheet filed in 30 Hazari Court, which was also noted that the accused were employees at prominent hospitals in Delhi and Gurgaon. You will be shocked to know the hospitals in which they were working. Prominent, big hospitals, big names in cancer research and cancer treatment. The accused allegedly acquired empty vials of essential medicines from pharmacists or hospital staff and then sold these vials filled with counterfeit drugs through pharmacists and online platforms, the charge sheets state. Over 140 vials of the fake medication worth approximately 4 crore on the open market were seized by police. Authorities tracked down 8 patients, including one in Uzbekistan, another one in Jammu Kashmir, 2 in Chandigarh, another one in Punjab, one in West Bengal, spending lakhs and lakhs in procuring these medicines for their loved ones to save their lives, but instead what they were getting were fake drugs, counterfeit drugs that could have probably harmed them more than benefited them at all. Detailing the case of the patient who died, the charge sheet revealed that a man from Madhubani, Bihar informed police that his wife, who had mouth and lung cancer, was treated at Rajiv Gandhi Cancer Institute and Buddha Cancer Hospital in Patna. Quote begins, doctors advised his wife for a Keytruda injection and he came in contact with one Love Narula through an online marketplace, IndiaMart. Narula offered him an injection for rupees 90,000. He purchased 4 injections for rupees 3,60,000 rupees between April and August 22. But when his wife was administered 2 injections at Buddha Cancer Hospital, her condition deteriorated and she died on September 11, 2022. The charge sheet read. Just imagine, he bought these injections till August 22, and by second week in September, his wife passed away. That woman who was struggling, fighting for life, her husband who was paying almost 4 lakh rupees, I'm not even sure how many lakhs he must have already paid to save her life. At the end, he was probably poisoned by these greedy people. 7 suspects, including employees of Delhi and Gurgaon based hospitals, were arrested on March 12 during raids conducted by the interstate cell of the crime branch and the Delhi government's Department of Drugs Control. 5 more suspects were arrested later during the investigation. The accused include, now in a country like India where we look for religion in every aspect of life, stories are made communal by portraying the names of the accused if they come from one particular minority community. I will show you how secular these accused are, and this is an evidence enough on top of million more evidence that when greed comes, religion does not matter. Sin is not based on religion. Sin itself is a religion that people accept. Listen to these names now. The names of the accused. Vifil Jain, who is considered as the ringleader. Mr. Jain is a ringleader. Suraj Shat, Neeraj Chauhan, Tushar Chauhan, Parvez, Komal Tiwari, Abhinay Singh, Aditya Krishna, Rohit Bisht, Jitender, Masjid Khan, and Sajid. Do you see what I was talking about? Just see the names. They have all come together. Investigators also found empty vials purchased from 4 accused who were employed in the oncology department of major cancer hospitals in Delhi and Gurgaon. 2 of the accused worked as pharmacists at the Rajiv Gandhi Cancer Institute. The other accused were employed at Fortis Memorial Research Institute, Millennium Cancer Center in Gurgaon, and Venkateshwar Hospital in Delhi. The suspects allegedly bought empty vials for rupees 3,000 to 6,000 and refilled them with fake substances, which were later sold to rupees 40,000 to 50,000 through pharmacists and online platforms. Police also issued notices to all 4 hospitals and received responses which were included in the charge sheet. During the investigation, we sent the manufacturing, this is a quote from the police, during the investigation, from the hospital from the charge sheet. During the investigation, we sent the manufacturing details of the recovered anti-cancer injections from the accused to the 4 hospitals and received their replies, which established that the batch number of recovered anti-cancer injections were manufactured by the company. This exercise corroborates the fact that the accused misappropriated the anti-cancer injections from their respective hospitals and sources and used them for their personal gain. All this was stated in the police charge sheet. Besides selling the vials to suppliers, the police noted that the accused also used the online business platform IndiaMart to promote sale of counterfeit anti-cancer injections. 7 suspects had registered themselves with IndiaMart. Well organized. This is well organized business. Again, like the previous story that we had done on corrupt and rogue civil servants, this is another example of corrupt and rogue medical staff. People you expect to save your life are actually the ones taking your life. What for? For money, for some extra bucks. Thank you everyone. Keep watching this channel for more interesting stories.